Welcome to the knowledge sharing series using Raspberry Pi, NodeRed and IoT. In this session, we are going to discuss about the NodeRed environment. So, start the NodeRed using the IP address of your Raspberry Pi with the port number 1880. Now, let's get familiar with this NodeRed environment. It's quite easy, but before we start anything, we should know the environment. So left hand side, whatever is available is known as the nodes. Here you can see the common, then you can see the function, you can see the network and many more. Each and every nodes are useful for different applications or different flows. You can drag and drop it into this particular area, which is known as the visual editor for this flow. Here it is written flow number 1, flow number 2 will appear as soon as you add from here. Flow number 3, all the details are added and available. Right hand side area is nothing but a particular information area for the object which are selected in this particular environment. If you drag and drop any of the node and if that particular node is selected, the appropriate information will be available on this right side. Make sure if you are not aware about the particular node, just drag and drop into the flow and get the details. Another way to know about the node, just move your mouse cursor onto the particular node. It will give you an idea or the basic idea about that node. Right hand side, after the information tab, you can see the particular debug tab. This debug area will give you the output during the execution of the flow. After that, the third option is available only for those who have installed the nodes called dashboard. If you have not installed, we are going to see that into the next or coming lectures. But when you install the nodes with the title called dashboard, then you have such kind of feature or the option. Friends, don't worry about each and every part or the detail of each thing. We are going to see it into the coming lectures. Now, on top of the right side, you can see it is on deploy. There are 3 or 4 options available with deploy: the full deploy, modified nodes and restart flows. After designing your flow, you need to deploy it. It means you need to start the flow. That we will see in the next lecture. And next to this, we are having some menu from where we can import and export the flows, and we can configure the nodes, and even we can see the version of our NodeRed. Here the version of my NodeRed is v1.0.5. So I hope it gives you an idea about the environment of NodeRed under the Raspberry Pi. Click the subscribe button to get the regular updates on the knowledge series. Thank you.